Okay, so today we are discussing everyone's favorite topic, that is string concepts, and this is like your bread and butter for automation testing. Without strings, you cannot even do automation testing. Not only automation testing, forget automation testing, anything, anywhere. Yes. Okay, got it. So, how do you declare a string? String s2 equal to this is my first string that I am working on. Okay, got it, everyone? Any doubts? This is how we declare a string. What do you mean by string? String is a sequence of characters. What do you mean by a character? What do you mean by character here? It can be a capital letter, it can be a small letter, it can be a white space, it can be a number, it can be a special character. Anything can be considered as a character. So whenever someone asks you what defines string, you should say it's a sequence of characters. Got it? Or it's a combination of multiple characters. Never say combination of letters. So if I want, I can print this variable here. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when I say s2.length prints the number of characters present in the string. Can anyone count and tell me how many number of characters are there? Can anyone count and tell me the number of characters?
42,
42, 42, 42.
43.
Okay, I'm getting all
43.
different answers. It's 43, guys. How many of you said 40?
43. I said.
43. 43 is the answer. For the people who are saying 39, 34, you are ignoring the white spaces. What did I tell you about strings? Strings is a sequence of characters, or string is a combination of characters. Even white spaces also included as part of a character, right? Don't forget that thing. Got it, everyone? For the people like Sarita, Ramya, everyone. So this is the thing. Don't ignore the white spaces and all. S2 dot is blank checks if the given string is blank or not. Returns true if the string is blank, else not. Can anyone tell me the output of this program?
False.
False. Great. When I say s2 dot is empty,
False.
yeah. Can anyone tell me the difference between empty and blank? Any guesses? It's okay. If you don't know, it's fine, but any guesses? Because as I want to mention, this is a JDK11 function. Any guesses? What is the difference between these two?
Like empty considers the space also, and blank doesn't consider the space.
Sorry, could you repeat your point, yes?
Empty considers space, and blank doesn't consider space.
It's quite opposite. It's quite opposite. When
Okay.
I say S2
Sorry.
like this, in this case, it will return true because the string is blank, but string is not empty here in this case. If I say s2 equal to this, s2 dot empty will return true. Got it? So s2 dot isBlank will return true if there are only white spaces in the string. Now, apart from white spaces, there are nothing. Mariam, listen to this again. If the string is having only white spaces, then s2 dot isBlank will return true. And in this case, s2 dot isEmpty will return false. Got it? Got it, Mariam? So when I say s2 dot isEmpty here, it returns true because it does not even have a single character. Even a single character. That is what you mean by the difference between isBlank and isEmpty. Got it? Here in this case, s2 dot isBlank also will return true. Will return true because there are no, even there are no values here again. So blank works in two ways. Either you don't give any value, or if you give complete white spaces, it will return true. Blank behavior is. Whereas s2 dot isEmpty means even if you give a single character, it will return false. If you don't give any characters, it will return true. Is this clear, everyone? This is a straightforward question, guys, that most of you will be asked. Definitely will be asked here. Because it seems the same, but not the same. Let me pull out my string here, whatever I declared at the top. S2 dot to uppercase converts the complete string to capital letters. Can anyone tell me the answer for this?
It will change the complete statement to uppercase.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay. S2 dot to lowercase convert the complete string to small letters. Got it? Any doubts?
Can we do cam case? Like, is there any shortcut for that?
Not in this library. There is another library for that. I'll tell you that. Okay. Strings is a very huge library. Don't worry. Apart from this, we have to use external libraries for more advanced functions. Okay. S2 dot starts with this. Returns true if the string is starting with the word this. Else it returns false. Can anyone tell me the output of this?
False.
Why it's false? It's starting with this only, no?
H is
It's
capital.
not matching. Catch.
Okay. That's a wonderful catch, guys. It returns false because case sensitivity matters here. Got it? I hope everyone is clear. S2 dot starts with S2. What could be the answer for this? Can anyone try saying it? Try telling the answer, guys. It's okay.
It will print only this because it's the first letter. Only the first letter, this. So it
No,
returns
line number 40.
true.
Line of S2.
It will return true, guys. Line number 40 will return true.
True, yeah.
See, this string is starting with the same string, right? Yes or no? So I'm checking whether the same string is starting with the same string. Like S2 that starts with S2. It is obviously starting with the same string, right? Yes or no? If you see from here, it is starting with the same string, right? There is no change, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
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 S2 dot starts with. Can anyone tell me the answer for this?
True.
Fantastic.
True.
One more last thing. Can anyone tell me the answer for this?
False.
It's true.
True. True.
True.
True. What we are doing here is we are converting
Converting.
the string to small
Lower
letters
case.
and checking whether the string is starting with this. Okay.
What is the output for the third one? Like S2 dot starts with this is my, that also true, right?
This is true.
Okay.
This is true.
Starts with, it will look for the complete statement or it will look only for the,
Based on the phrase that you provide.
okay.
Based on the phrase that you provide, it will check and let us know. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, in what case line number 40 will return false?
Line number 40 never returns false.
Yeah. So it's always true, right? If S2
Well,
starts with S2, then it's always
it's
true.
always true. It's always true. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Rahul, you are explaining this just for the example, right? Or these built-in methods would return true or false, or because it's a
This
print
built-in
line.
method. Sorry.
Since it's a print line, just for example, you're saying it will
Just for
return true or
example, I'm
false.
showcasing you all the functions, but in real
Yeah,
time, I will
okay.
never use the print values because without print,
Yeah.
if I tell you, you will not understand the impact of what is what, right?
Yeah, okay.
In real time, I'll not use any print statements. I'll be directly putting them into the code directly.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Since you're
Thank you.
dealing with strings for the first time, I want to break it down bit by bit. Checks if the given string is ending with returns true if the condition is satisfied, else it returns false. What is the answer?
True.
True.
I request all of you not to annotate. Thank you. What is the answer here? True. True, right? Line number 51 is true, right? Yeah. What is the answer? So line number 52?
True.
True. True.
True.
Great. Fantastic. What is the answer?
False. False.
False.
False.
False.
Because the n is small.
Now it is true, right?
Now it's
True.
true. Yeah.
Yes.
I hope everyone is clear with starts with, ends with clearly. Any doubts? Anyone? Every function in string is pretty important, guys. That is why I'm taking brick by brick.
So starts with, ends with, we can give how much of a character we want, right?
Yeah.
It can be
See,
the full sentence also, right?
it can be full sentence. You can give more than full sentence. Whatever you want to put it, that's up to you. Okay.
Okay.
S2 dot contains first checks if the given word first is present in the string. Returns true if the above condition is satisfied. Else it returns false. What is the output? True.
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 What is the answer, guys?
False.
I hope everyone is clear, guys. Because if you are having any doubts, you just let me know. And if the pace of the session is okay, or if you want, if you are having any problem with the pace, let me know. Now it is true or false, guys?
True.
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 Replaces the word first with second in the given string. Replaces the word first with the word second in the given string. Okay. What is the answer, guys? True.
This is my second string that I'm working on.
Hmm. There won't be any true or false in replace, guys. Okay. Never say any true or false in replace functions. If it is, you have to tell the complete output.
Okay.
It is like this is my second string that I'm working on. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
There won't be any true or false. If the word is there, it will replace it. Got it? Can anyone tell me the output of this program?
That is not
This
present.
This is not. Cannot.
It won't replace
this
because
is my first string.
Error.
it won't
That is
replace
This
my
I am
fault.
One by
working
one,
on.
one by one.
Error
Yeah.
will come.
Okay.
THI is here, it is representing all small, whereas in our actual string, TH is capital, so I don't think it will replace.
Okay. If it is not replacing, what is your answer?
It will be the same as it is, since we are not printing, it won't print also, I guess.
Okay. So it will not throw any error or something. If the word to be replaced is not found, then it will print the original string. Got it? Any doubts so far? So, prints the character that is present at fifth index position. What do you mean by fifth index position? So whenever I say the word index position, we need to start reading the string from 0, reading the string character by character from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So that means what? When I say fifth index position, I'll say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be I. That is letter I in is. Okay. Any doubts, guys, so far?
No.
All good?
Yeah.
S2 dot caret of 42. Can anyone tell me the answer for this? Which O are we talking about, Sri Devi? Which letter O are we saying? Hmm?
From second last.
Okay.
Print N from the last character.
Yeah,
Mhm.
and it will be an
Yeah, Mariam, you're right. It's N. Okay, it's the letter N. Okay. When I say 42, what is the length of the string, guys? Here, 43. When I say I want the character at 42nd index position, obviously it will be the last letter. Obviously it will be the last letter, guys. 42nd index position. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Yeah. Is this clear, everyone? How S2 dot caret of 42 is coming? Is this clear, guys? Any doubts?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Great. Can you tell me the answer?
A.
Which A?
That is present in that.
Mhm.
TH.
yeah, A.
Letter A.
Present in that.
That A.
Okay. What is the answer for this, guys? Any guesses?
Error will come. Exception.
Mm-hmm.
I think it should
Error
be
will.
blank.
throws string index out of bounds exception because we are trying to access a character that is greater than, that is with not within the range of the string. That is not within the length of the string, basically. Is this clear, guys? Any doubts? So let me run the program. Got it? It throws string index out of bounds exception. That means what? You're trying to access an index at 500 position for a length of 43, which is not allowed. Got it? Is it clear, everyone? Any doubts?
Clear.
So let me comment this because as of now we are not working with any exception handling. I hope everyone is clear with caret, right? Can I go for the next point? Even if you give a negative value also, it will be the same error. Okay. That's 2 dot substring of 5. Let me pull this down. Prints the string starting from 5th index position till the end. Can you tell me the answer?
It should be each my first starting that I'm working on.
Okay. Great. That's nice. Let's see this. What is the answer for this?
Starting with that I'm working on.
Sorry?
That I'm working on.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's true.
Got it? Any doubts so far? Dash wait. If you want to print, go from the behind, then there's some other, then we have to use different way. There's no direct way. That's 2 dot substring of 10 comma 20. So prints the string starting from 10th index position till 20th index position. Okay. It is inclusive of start index position and exclusive of end index position. So what is the answer?
Is my first string
Hmm?
that I'm is my first string. Oh, sorry, first string.
First
string.
string.
First str.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Putting
All good.
space.
Yeah, space. When I say 10th index position,
So
6,
space is
7,
a
8,
10
9,
index.
10. It's present at 10th index position 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it will not take the 20th index position. That is what I'm telling you now. It is inclusive of start index position and exclusive of end index position. That means the last value will not be taken up. Okay. Is it clear?
Rahul, one doubt regarding the caret. So we are considering the index for spaces also, right?
Yes.
So if we want, if we give if we give caret and index of space, then what will it return?
Index of space. I couldn't get your point.
Like system.out.println s2 dot caret, and wherever the space is present, that index if we give, then what will it return?
S2 dot, when I say S2 dot caret of 4, so that this will return the white space. If I use S2 dot caret of 4, it will give me the white space.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
You see this white space?
Okay.
Any doubts, guys, so far?
It will print the white space and it will move on to the next line, right? Because it
Yes.
is printed.
Yes, yes, exactly. Can anyone try saying the answer for this?
From
It might
I-
cost. Yeah, right.
I
Same thing.
from is I to string n, like I to n. E is my first string, would be the answer.
Mm-hmm. E is my first STRI. This is the answer. Got it? Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
No doubts with this? Is everyone clear what is happening here?
No, can you expand that S2 dot
Yeah, can you
length
please explain?
to? Yeah.
What is S2 dot length, guys? 43 now. What is
42.
S2 dot length? 43. Length. Length means it starts from 1.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
When I say index of only, it starts from 0.
Okay.
43. When I say S2 dot length by 2, what is 43 divided by 2, guys? 21 now. We should not take the decimal value here. Yeah?
Okay. Okay.
So what will be the answer here? S2 dot substring of 0, 6, 21. Now can you calculate it and tell me?
Yeah. So 6 starts from yes.
Hmm.
Yes, and it goes up to 21, which is STRI. Okay, makes sense.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Can anyone tell me the answer for this?
Should be on when.
From ng till working.
Mm-hmm.
Will it return -1?
It will straight away throw an error. Throws string index out of one's exception because the start index position is greater than end index position. Got it? Clear everyone? KS, Mariam, Amulya, Bhargava.
Yes, sir.
Substring, everyone is clear, right? No doubts. S2 dot repeat of 3 means repeats the same string for 3 times. Any doubts so far? Got it, everyone?
Yeah.
Index of prints the index position of the first occurrence of character O in the given string. Got it? Is this clear, everyone? Any doubts?
No.
Yeah, can anyone tell me the answer?
Forty-one.
Hmm?
The 33.
Hmm.
29, 30,
34.
37, 36,
34.
34.
34 is the answer. For the people who have said 33, just count the values once again.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, for line number 103, so it will print the same statement on the same line 3 times.
Same line, yes.
So here we have used println. Still, it will print the statement on the same line.
Yeah, S2 dot repeat prints the string on the same line.
Okay, and there won't be any space. Like it will be a back-to-back.
Yeah, there
statement.
won't be any space.
Okay, thanks.
For index of, it's going to take 43 as the length or 42.
See, let's see. When you go for index-based position, what did I tell you guys? You should always start from 0. When
Zero,
you
right?
mention length, it starts from 1. Just remember this thing. Got it?
Okay.
Any doubts?
Rahul,
Hmm.
one more doubt. Like in the repeat, right? We
Hmm.
are printing everything in the same line, right?
Hmm.
Possible to print in the next line?
That time what you need to do is you need to add a slash in your string. Okay?
Okay. But not in the function, right?
Not in the function. You should have it in the original string slash.
Okay.
Got it? Got it?
Yes, Rahul, I got it. Thank you.
So Dash, I couldn't get your point. Dash, could you repeat your point, please? Not so sure.
It repeats 3 times, right? So if it is there is no gap, so can we add a space there?
It's up to you. You want to put slash and space, whatever you would want to do in the original string, do it. Whatever based on the original string, it will repeat 3 times. Its job is to repeat whatever data of string that is present here, it will repeat for 3 times. That's the job. Got it? Got it, Dash? Good to go?
Yes.
Yeah. Can anyone tell me the answer for 111?
2.
Hmm?
It's 2.
2.
2.
2. Great. Can anyone tell me the index position of this? Line 113.
4.
Mm-hmm.
4.
It's 17.
17 Rahul. 17.
17.
It's 18.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All good, guys.
Rahul, I have one doubt.
Mm-hmm.
So in the line 111, so we have like printing like index of I. So for that we have multiple I's in S2 statement, right?
That is why I told you, first occurrence of character.
Yeah.
Okay?
Got it.
Got it? This is the first occurrence.
Yeah, if you want to print all the indexes of the I printed
That is another program. In one single function, you'll not get it. Okay? Okay. What is the answer, guys?
Error.
Hmm?
exception. Maybe error.
It is written -1. If the given word or a given character is not present in the string, it will return minus. Because it is not something like I'm exceeding the length of the string or I'm going beyond the range of the string, right? It is more like I'm just checking for something. If it's not, they just return -1. That's the only thing, guys. Got it? Any doubts so far?
No.
Here, word or character doesn't matter, right? Like whatever we pass, if it is not there, it will return -1, right?
Yes, yes, that's it.
Okay.
Can I go for the next point if no questions?
Yes, sir.
S2 dot last index of I. So prints the index position of the last occurrence of the character I in the given string. Yeah. Can anyone tell me the answer for this? Let me pull the string now.
37.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 37.
Can anyone tell me the answer for this?
41.
Mm-hmm.
7.
S2 dot last index of. Can anyone tell me the answer for this?
$29, $30,
Sorry,
$30, $29 or
but it is 30. Is it clear, everyone? It's 30, guys. Is it clear? Any doubts? So, Mariam, where does this last occurrence of AM occurred? Here only, right? So, what is the index position of this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Is this clear? Any doubts? Is this clear with index of last index of gas? Any doubts?
no.
I will say S4 dot equals of S5 returns true if both the strings are same, else it returns false. What is the answer?
False.
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 S4 dot equals ignore case S5. Here case sensitivity matters. What is the output for line number 135?
True.
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 Case sensitivity does not matter here. Got it? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts so far? Good to go?
Yes.
Then there is another function called as content equals. No. Compare. S5. So I'll check whether the given strings are equal. Returns 0 if both the strings are equal. Returns a positive value if the first string is greater than second string. Return negative value if the first string is lesser than second string. So what do you mean by that, guys? So here using the compare function, we are comparing the string. We are comparing the string character by character. Remove this thing. We are comparing the string character by character, and we are using the ASCII value of each character. Got it, everyone? So we are comparing this character by character. So what it is checking? It is checking the ASCII value of capital N as what? Remember this ASCII ranges. ASCII ranges you all need to remember. For capital A to Z, it is capital A to capital Z, it is 65 to 90. For small a to small z, it is 97 to 120. Got it? If it is 0 to 9, it is 48 to 57. Got it? If it's a white space, then it is 32. Any doubts? Any doubts, everyone?
Okay.
So what is happening here? When I say s4.compare of sy, what is happening? It will obviously print a negative value because ASCII value of capital N is lesser than ASCII value of small n. Got it, everyone? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys, so far? Good to go.
How minus 32?
What is the ASCII value of capital N? Can you count for me? 65 to 90 means what? What is the answer? I mean, capital N means what? Till 10 it is J, K,
78.
yeah, 78. So what is the value of small n? What is the value of small n?
110.
Okay. So what is
Okay.
78 minus 110?
32.
That's it. That's it, guys. Any
Minus.
doubts? Yeah, it's minus 32.
So we are comparing only for the first letter.
I mean, like this we do for character by character. Whenever there is a first mismatch, it will come out of the function immediately.
Okay.
If you can use compare dot to ignore case. Here it's the same function like above compare to only, but case sensitivity does not matter. Got it? Here it will be 0. In compare to case sensitivity matters. That is why it is minus 32. Here it is 0. Got it? Any doubts, guys, so far?
It will display the difference between the first character that is different.
Yes.
Okay. For example, if new is capital in both statement and in between, like if E or W is capital in one of the statement, then it will show the W1 and it will not show the real
Yes.
one.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll say string s7 equal to new lines of coding data. So if you want to remove the white spaces that is present before and after the string, I'll say s7.remove. Removes the white spaces that is present before and after the string. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts here, Baba? What is the answer?
Two lines of coding data.
Lines of coding data.
Hmm?
New lines of coding data.
The leading spaces.
Remove the spaces.
That is present at the start and the end. Whatever the spaces that is present at the start and at the end. Got it?
Okay.
Same strip function is also the similar function. Like trim strip is also the similar function. It's a JDK11 function. When I say s7 dot strip leading, that means what removes the white spaces that is present at the start of the string. Got it? Any doubts, guys, so far?
Yeah,
Rahul,
we had a question on our previous example of compare to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here you have taken example as same. I mean, the lines are same, right? S4, and if there is additional new,
See,
if we have
let
new
it be
E,
same,
then
let it be additional. It will, wherever the first mismatch occurs, it will print the difference of that particular character. Okay.
okay. So if S5 is having extra character at new data
Let it be. See,
space,
Rahul, let it be new data in making, you say, or else you say,
Rahul, can we just try with the first letter being the same in both the strings?
yeah. See, you see here. I'll say this is new data, and I'll say this is new data in making.
yeah, this is the example I was trying to see.
So you just try saying it. It'll print a positive value because capital I is there, na? Small I is there, na? See, after this data, it will obviously print a positive value because this string is greater, right?
Yeah.
Till here the string is matching, but after that, what is the next character? It's a white space. You got the point? It's a white space. It's a white space. The white space is present here, but the white space is not present here, right? Got the point, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rahul, the trim function, is it necessary to have white space both at the beginning and at the end? If I have white space only in the beginning and not at the end, can I still use it?
Yeah, trim will work
Okay.
anywhere.
Okay. Okay.
But if you are very specific about removing the white spaces at the start of the string, then this is the thing. And if you are very specific about removing the white spaces at the end of the string, this is the thing. Like if
Okay.
you are so specific about the white spaces, then that is we have to use it.
Okay. Got.
Any doubts?
hello.
Yeah.
So how to remove the spaces in between?
That replace function is there, no? Use the replace function. I'll say s7.trim trim.replace a white space with a underscore. Got it? Now is it okay?
Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks.
Any doubts? Good to go.
Rahul, instead of underscore, I don't want to any space.
Just put an empty value. That's it. I mean, it's up to you guys. Whatever you want to do, like this will be the value. Like this, you're expecting. Yeah. Like this, you're
Yes.
expecting. Wait. So it's all depends underscore. If you don't want to give anything, just give an empty value. Okay. So when I say S7, so when I say S7 dot code point at 5 means prints the ASCII value of the character that is present at 6th index position. Got it, everyone? This code point at is a different value. If you want to get the ASCII value of it, then you can use this code point at. Is this clear, everyone? Any doubts?
Yes.
What's the ASCII value of the value at 6th index position?
32. 32.
32. Great. I hope everyone is understanding what is what.
Yeah.
When I say concatena, it will join both the strings. Got it? When I say s7.concat, it joins both the strings. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys, so far? Good to go?
Hey Rahul, I got dropped at line number 178. Can you please explain me?
S178 is about getting the ASCII value of the character at 6th index position. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I say what is the ASCII value of 6? What is the ASCII value of 6? What's the ASCII value of white space? It's 0. I mean 32, sorry.
32, yeah.
So this concat function is all about joining two strings.
Okay.
Like you can use multiple concat functions. Okay.
Okay, good.
So I'm just having a look around the functions, whichever is pending. So we have at least 10 more functions to cover. At least 10 more functions to cover. What shall we do, guys? Shall we cover it off or have at least 10 more functions to cover? Okay. Java coding in progress. When I say a so when I say s8 dot replace first, so what does it do? Replaces the first occurrence of the word progress in the string. Previously, what do you mean by replace? It will replace the word progress in wherever the word progress is there. It will replace instead of progress, it will be progressed. But in replace first, what is happening? Instead of the word, instead of replacing all the progress related values, it will be progressed in this position. Like during the first occurrence of the word progress, it will be progressed. Got it? Is this clear, everyone? What is replace first?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Nandan, I will take a need to drop. Most of them are saying continue. Okay. Now, there is a concept called as constable. C2 equal to new string in constant. So this is a JDK12 functionality where I can declare constant string. That means what? It's a JDK12 functionality where I can declare a constant. That means what? No one cannot change the value of the string. Just try doing it. You don't have any functions to change the values of the string. It is like a string, but it's a constant. It's like a fixated value. You want to use this fixated value somewhere, you can use this fixated value. No one even cannot change the value of it. Got it? It's like a fixed constant.
So replace and all will not work for this.
Nothing. It's just like a constant. Like how you say pi equal to 3.14, the same thing.
Okay.
It's a constant.
So this constable is a keyword.
Yes. It's a keyword. It's a JDK12 functionality.
And it's a part of string, right?
Yep, it's part of string.
Okay, thanks.
If you want to write paragraphs of data, I have to put it in 3 inverted commas. If we want to write paragraphs of data, then we have to put it in 3 inverted commas. Got it? Let me pick a random paragraph. So this is especially used when we have huge JSONs of data. When we have huge JSONs of data, everyone will use strings. But in our project, we are using the multi-line string because it will help us maintain the data in a proper format. When I have huge queries to write, like I have a query which is of 300 lines, 400 lines, which I have written. But if you put it in a normal string, the orientation and the ordering will be pretty bad. So that is why I use this multi-line string to maintain long strings. And you can simply print, you can perform whatever operations you want, you can do it. That's up to you. Got it? The formatting has not been changed. Whatever format you have put the data, it will remain the same. This is called as multi-line strings. Now, in this multi-line strings, the beautiful thing is the replace function will not work at all. I mean, what I'm trying to say is you cannot use a plus operation to join the values. Like how I'm saying S8 or replace first, all these things. Na? You cannot use a plus symbol to concatenate the values or modify the values. I mean, replace all the string related functions will work. But you cannot add a plus symbol to add more values. Like generally we have used in the last print statement, right? The number of the variable is so and so. We are using a plus symbol to join two values, right? So the plus symbol won't work out here. Like data parameterization is not possible with multi-line strings. Whereas with strings, we can do a data parameterization in the strings. Is it clear?
So this K40 is variable, right?
Yeah, it's a variable. I just put a random variable. There's no meaning for it.
Will K40 support the other the functions for that, or
Yes, every function will be supported.
like unlike the previous constable?
No. K4 dot region matches. So what is the offset from 0 there? So what I am saying is, how many of your manual testers who work with backend jobs? How many of your manual testers who are working with backend jobs? Like you have to prepare some files, you have to push it to the putty or blob or SFTP, and this file formatting matters. How many of you are part of it? Yeah. Like you prepare a flat file and you push it to the server and it will process the data. How many of
Yes,
you
sir.
do this? Yeah. So when I do this, assume that this is a flat file. So what I'm saying, so assume that I'm starting my string from 0. So if I put the word there, I want to check whether the word there is present having length 5. So assume that this is a flat file, and what we are trying to say is for the first word it should be only 5 characters. Then if you give a space it should be 4 characters. Then you give a space it should be 1 character. Then you give a space it should be some 7 characters. So there's some file formatting, like you have a file formatting. So with the help of region matches, what we are trying to say is now this I'm saying like start the string from 0th index position. I want to check for the word there where the length of the string is 5. If I start from this first offset is represents that is the start of the string. What is the word I'm checking? The word I'm checking is there. First check is what it is present at 0th index position or not. Yes, it is there. So in that from 0th index position, from 0th index position of the word there, I want to check whether the length of that particular word is 5 characters. I hope you got the point.
Yes. So this is for a word by word, right?
Sorry?
What does the second offset mean?
See, second offset means for this particular word. It's just like, um, first let me run the program and I'll show you. So it is true. Ideally it should print true. I know it's an overload, guys. I know it's an overload of functions. That is why I asked you, will you be ready to listen all this, or do you want me to take up other class? Because the string functions upcoming will be more or less like more of a analytical things. As of now, my editor got stuck. If you see here, my editor got stuck running. So this 0 offset, what I have now, I'm putting it in, I'm checking for that offset in this given string. That means in this given word, from which index position I have to start. When I say this 0 now, this will go to the string and see from the 0th index position, I'm checking whether the word there is present or not. If it is there, I want to check the length of that particular word there. If it is 5 characters or not. If it is 5 characters, return true. Else it returns false.
Rahul, for example, I give the length equal to 4,
It
then
will
it
throw false.
false, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, for the single word, it's okay. But if I want to compare, I want to check all these words, then we need to write this 205 statement multiple times, right?
Yes.
Or
Because
is there any provision that we can write in the one statement and get the
see,
true or
if you
false
write it in
values?
one statement, how will you validate the file? You just tell me. Manually also we
Mm.
validate it word by word, right? If you write it in one statement, how will you validate it? How will you authenticate that each and every word or each and every field is written properly or not?
Mhm. Right. So need to write multiple statements, right?
Yeah,
For each
because
word.
we are dealing with a file that is important for a client.
And this offset will get always changed, right?
Yeah, you can put your offsets. I'm just putting the offset for a simplicity sake. Tomorrow you can change it later. Okay.
So
You
offset is nothing but the index or
from which index position you want to start
yeah.
for
For
this word
where
there.
word need to yeah. For second word where we need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, right? Offset is 6.
I guess KS, your brain is overloaded. I'm totally understanding that it's going a bit hayward. See, 0 represents for the word there. In this word there, from which index position I have to start? I want to start from the beginning. Now, if I put 1, it will start from HERE. Got it? If I put 2,
Okay.
it will start from ERE. From this word ERE, is the length of my string 5? No, absolutely wrong.
Okay, understood, sir.
So change in first offset, right, Rahul? If you
Yeah,
want to second word,
if
6.
you first offset.
Yes, first offset we should give the 6, right?
I mean, that's up to you for which word you want to do. Like, if you want to go for where, and you have to put 6 as your offset, and your length of the string is 4. Got it?
Yeah.
See, this ICD document, obviously client will give it to you. You need not worry about counting the number of words or something. You just follow the ICD document and write the code. Because validating this, I have seen 99% of struggle validating the files. I'm pretty sure. That is why we spent a lot of time on this region matches, and we have come up with a design with region matches in my code, in our framework. Because we had some 180 lines of data to process. So client was like adamant, do it through automation. Do it through automation. Why manual effort? Every time I cannot check. Now if you say in the 7th, 10th build or 12th build, the orientation has failed and it has failed. What could be the reason? I don't know, right? You let me know the reason.
Rahul, for example, if the file that words are changed, right, that statements will change for the next release, should we write again the automate code, right?
Not needed. See, if you're smart enough, pull everything in constants. Pull parameterize it. Pull it in a constants variable. In that constants variable, change the value there. You need not come and change everywhere, right? Do you think I'll hardcode the values? I'll never hardcode the values. I'll use the variables there.
Oh, got it, got it. So dynamically, whenever the files will change, it automatically stores the variables and it will.
It's like you're correlating.
Yeah, correlating. Yes, got it. Yeah.
Since I have. I have to teach regular expressions, guys. It will take another 1 hour. I have to teach regular expressions. There are some functions which are too advanced for you guys. I have to teach lambdas. I have to teach arrays. Intern is more of a string pooling concept. That is what I told you. It's not that easy. The remaining functions. What we have dealt is very basic functions so far. So you make a decision, guys. Except regular expressions, you make a decision for yourself. Tomorrow there's no session. It's on a Monday. Monday to Friday are the sessions. Okay. That's it from my side. I'll be sharing the code file soon.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Rahul.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice weekend.
How many of you learned something new functions today of strings or someone has revised?
I learned new functions today.
Yes.
A lot of new functions.
These all are new functions for me, Rahul.
Okay.
It is different in LoadRunner, whatever we are using in performance testing.
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
In performance testing, we will use the different functions and string functions are different here.
Yeah.
Only concat, string replace, we have the different functionalities we'll use that are by LoadRunner. These are different.
Yeah, yeah. So Harshita, you know about complete strings prior or?
I just like learned strings, but like this region matches thing is completely new to me.
And constable?
Yeah, constable also, yes. Those two.
Yeah. There are a lot more functions that you even imagine also. I'm just restricting a lot today.
Okay.
Because as far as I know in strings, we can write in 1,000 ways. As for the exact count, if I remember, it's 1,000.
Okay.
And if you ask me how many functional interfaces in Java, we have 5,025, 26 functional interfaces in Java.
Rahul, I have one more question. Like, you are creating the frameworks, right? The frameworks
I'm
are
creating the framework.
yeah. So while creating the frameworks, like you created the more functions, right? You had told 1,000 of functions you will write for the string, right?
Not, I mean, I'm telling thousands of functions are there in strings in Java. I'm not writing it, okay?
No, okay, okay. Actually, we will use in the same functions, like same in the way for the rules concept in the LoadRunner.
Okay.
Create the rules which are
Yeah.
correlating, right? So someone
I
join to the new project, we can automatically give those roles. They can export into their
That is
tool.
called as methods here.
Oh, okay, yeah, got it. Okay, that's why I'm asking. Okay, methods.
I have some minimal experience of LoadRunner. That is why I'm able to answer your question.
Yeah. Yes, because it's a new for me, right? I'm just comparing.
Yeah. Don't go. One thing I learned from my experiences: don't correlate with anything. Correlate with the layman stuff, but not with any tool to tool.
Yeah, not tool to do layman.
Just telling you
Yeah,
in future also.
got it. Just I'm also comparing the laming technology, laming things because I'm also as a 12 years of experience, I'm also trainer. That's why I'm asking. Is there any way to import the functions or something to other?
Yeah. We will do. I'm taking it step by step. Don't worry.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay, thanks.
Yes.
Rahul, I just had a question on yesterday's class. So we wrote the statement S error, right? So why does that statement always gets printed at the bottom? No matter there are so many
No
lines
matter it is
below it.
bottom only. It is designed to print at the last only all the time.
Oh, okay. Okay, got you. Thanks, Rahul.
Harshita, you can write. There is no one stopping you, but the client will not accept it. The client wants it word to word.
Okay.
The clients or your stakeholders, they'll be like, you are saying there were. Tomorrow, if someone says like there were, after they're like there is. Your whole indexing will be smashed, right?
Yeah, true. Okay, got it.
That is why stakeholders will say compare word to word. They are very specific about this, Harshita. I got screwed multiple times for this issue. That is what that experience I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay. You'll be soon getting all the code files of what we have discussed today. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Rahul. Very good night.
Thank
Rahul,
you.
hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Rahul.
Yeah, Sandeep.
Yeah, Rahul. Yeah,
I'll talk.
Rahul. Yes.
Hi, Rahul. Are you there?
Tell me.
So actually, you have informed like that constable functionality. So if there is any new replacement of the file and like data in that,
Navin, your voice is low. You need to be a bit louder for me.
are you here?
No, it's breaking, Navin. You should type it in the chat box. Is there a new file replacement? Navin, I didn't understand. Is there a new file replacement means? See, constable, you cannot change any value, right? Constable, you cannot change any value.
Yeah, Rahul. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Now you can hear me, right?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, actually, I'm asking that. So, it told
Still,
me
it's
that
not. Navin, it's still breaking,
like
Navin.
constable function.
Navin, it's still breaking. You do one thing. You do a normal call on my mobile number. I'll clarify your question. Okay. Cool, guys. We'll soon catch up on Monday.